For my YouTube subscribers, I know I said I ended the video, but I just want to do a little quick add-on to this video. And you can see what this word says right here. It says unity. And they got it in different colors. So you see the symbolism in that? The different colors in the word unity. And that's the issue we have in America, where there's no unity among the people. Everybody's divided by religion, race, color, creed. And meanwhile, while we're divided, the system, the people who's really in control and in charge, continue to screw us over because there's no unity. Like I always say, unite you stand, divide you fall. And that's a true statement. So if you're a racist or whatever you are, or you hate people by the skin, color of skin, you're black, you hate white people hate black people, or whatever, you need to cut it out, because at the end of the day, they're screwing all of us. Okay, again, click like, subscribe. If you like the video, ring the bell notification for more of my content. Until next time, see you later.